Tens of thousands of Ukrainians have fled their home country, crossing the border to Poland.
To what has been called the biggest refugee crisis of the 21st century.
The number of Ukrainian companies in the Polish market has increased to 25,000.
Cytuję: mamy na utrzymaniu drugi naród. Pytam, jak długo?